This is a 1.2 meters diameter, circular P2 indoor LED display with a resolution of 600 by 600. Supports Wi-Fi, asynchronous program publishing, and easy remote control. Mickey Mouse has a unique shape and high definition and gorgeous. Supports multiple media formats, energy saving and environmentally friendly, durable and reliable. Add infinite charm to your space and attract the audience's attention. Perfectly suitable for high-end places such as shopping malls and exhibition halls. Experience an unprecedented visual feast now. Thank you for watching. More exciting content is waiting for your following.